Hi, this is Heather from the Personal Relationship Firm. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to the calendar feature at deanmills.org and how to add new news and events into this calendar that will automatically be displayed on your website. So first, let's go ahead and take a look at what it is that I'm referring to when I say calendar. Under the tab Tour Dates from the main navigation, you're going to see that there's this really great integrated calendar that's displayed. And if I click on any of the items, a nice pop-up comes up. And it gives me access to information like what category this calendar item is. If there's a map associated with it, I can click on it and view that map. Which is really useful for events, or in this case, this is actually just a news announcement that the PR firm added to basically say, hey, we have gone ahead and created this new website for Dean. So as you can see, I can scroll over anything that's added. Today's date is automatically highlighted, and I can actually sort things by the two categories created, which are concerts and news. So for example, if Dean wants to promote and say, hey, I'm going to be releasing a new CD on this particular date, he can go ahead and add that into the category of news, or I can show all. So let's go ahead and go into the administrative dashboard, which can be accessed from this little top navigation. Anytime you're logged into your site, you're going to see that top navigation appear. And if I scroll down on the left sidebar, I'm going to see towards the bottom an item that says calendar. So you can see it says calendar, categories, activity report, and options. Most of our users are going to be just right here on calendar. Categories, for your example, is where we added that information to say, hey, we want two categories. We want news and we want events. But you can add things and color code it, which is very nice. But if I want to add a new concert date, I'm just going to go ahead and select calendar, and go ahead and go to the date that the event is taking place. So for example, let's go ahead and just create something for today or tomorrow. So you're going to see that this menu pops up for you. It's really self-explanatory. So it'll say, hey, is this an all-day event or is it particular time? If I deselect all day, I can now go and add the specific times. Do I want this to repeat? It gives me some great options. The title of the event, what category you want it to appear under, the venue. So if it's, say, the Gene Simmons Concert Hall, I would want to add that name there, and then I can add the address. As soon as I add this address, it's going to make that integrated map accessible, so my users can click on the map and actually automatically get a map to the location. And let's go ahead through Google Maps, so you can see it automatically went and opened up Google Maps and added in that address. Making it very easy for people to actually go to your events. Website link. This is where, for example, Dean recently played at the Potter's House. So if I was putting an event for an upcoming event at the Potter's House, I would put the Potter's House website, so www.potterhouse.com, etc. Description. It's a great place to say, hey, you're going to be there. Well, are you headlining? Are you, towards the end? What other information can you give people? And if there's specific information on who to contact to learn more. If this is an event where people need to buy tickets, I would make sure that the name and phone number or email address listed are for how to get tickets. So as you can see, pretty self-explanatory. And as soon as I add that information, it's now going to show up on the calendar within my administrative panel. And if I visit my site, it would now become visible on that tour dates calendar as well. I hope this video has helped you understand how to add new and upcoming events, news, and concert details into your new website. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to add a new release that displays to your homepage.